Hello, I'm Jennifer Inglis, and I'm a recruitment officer at College of the Rockies, and I am one of your hosts for the upcoming virtual open house. Now, hosting a virtual open house is something new for the college, and we want to thank you for registering for the event. I am going to walk you through how this web-based event is going to work. So I'm going to turn off my camera and I'm going to share my screen. So we're going to start here in whatever search engine you want to start off in. And I'm just going to put in College of the Rockies. So we go to College of the Rockies webpage. And as you can see here, virtual open house is the first thing you're going to see on our webpage. So click on Find Out More. And that's going to take you over here to this web page. So here you're going to see the schedule of presentations. And then on Saturday, there's going to be a link to the form to request the application fee waiver code. And that link is going to be either underneath the schedule of presentations or here with this apply for free section. Now, the $30 application fee is going to be waived when you apply to the college online February 27th. Now, you have to have that code, so you have to fill out the form. And the code is good until 11:59 Mountain Time on Saturday. As you can see, we have the college's view book available here for you to have a little look through as well. We have some frequently asked questions, and we also have the campus tour available. So you can just click on there. It will take you to the UVisit site. Takes a little bit to load, and you can walk through the campus and see what we have to offer. Now, the stuff that you want to know, that you want to see right away, is this schedule of presentations. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to the schedule presentations page, and everything is broken down by time. So these are all the presentations available between 10 and 11, 11 and 12, and so on. So as you can see here, all the presentations are listed. Now on Saturday, the link to these presentations is going to be made live, and it's actually going to be the session title. As you can see here, this link, Ask a Recruiter, which I'm hosting with my fellow recruiter, Christy Bronze. We've made this link live for this demo. So what you do is you just simply click on that link. So you're going to get this coming up. Now, you don't have to download any kind of an app to your computer, so don't worry about opening a Teams app or downloading the Windows app. All you have to do, if you don't use Microsoft Teams in your work or school, just continue on with this browser. And that is going to take you into the meeting. Might take a little bit, so we'll just give it a quick little minute here to do its thing. Technology is great. So it's going to launch this, and you can turn on your camera, you can turn off your camera, and you can just join the meeting. I'm not going to join the meeting because I'm going to be joining it with myself because I'm the host for the meeting, but that's how you do things. So we have Microsoft Teams meetings that you can join, or we also have some Zoom meetings. It just depends on the presenter and which platform that they've decided to use. Now, we also have some pre-recorded sessions that you can start watching right away, and they are just listed right here. Now, the sessions for the open house are going to be recorded, and those recordings are going to be posted on this site in the near future. So if you've already registered for the open house, which you probably have because you're getting this how-to video, you're going to receive an email to let you know when the videos are ready. We look forward to seeing you on Saturday virtually for the College of the Rockies virtual open house.